Hi guys, it's Grace. In today's video, it's going to be a vlog. So basically, today is August 12th and it's 8 o'clock, which means I basically need to like get ready for bed in like an hour and a half because I have to be up at 5 o'clock. I'm going to London and I'm really excited. I'm going to go for a night. If you subscribe or if you've seen my video before, I went 10 minutes ago to tomorrow. Yeah, because 10 minutes ago today it was like my birthday party with my family, which I did before my birthday because I went down on my birthday, and tomorrow is going to be 10 minutes from that and we're going back. Literally the same trip, just this time we're going to London. Instead of going to Warner Brothers, instead of going to the Harry Potter studio tour first thing, we're going to London first thing, and then the day after we're going to the studio tour. So that's exciting. I don't know how I feel about it because I was like sort of preferring it if I went to the studio first, so I had money, like if I had spare money I could bring it next day, but I think it'll just get me more excited to go to the studio because then I'm not leaving on like oh, leaving London, because leaving London makes you really sad, because London's like, in my head, it's like my destination. It's like literally my favourite city in the world, and like that might come across really boring, but like I've been to a good few countries and I know, yeah, that in New York is top of my list. But yeah, and I've got like my Google Maps ready with all like the want to go places. For example, like Savile Row, which is filmed, Kingsman's filmed in there, and there's Bridget Jones places, but we're probably not going to get there in the 5 hours we've got. And I also, but like the places I know and go is like little, like the blue plaques that they have about people's life. There's a David Bowie one I go to. And yeah, there's lots of basically all I've done today is watch Gavin and Stacey whilst like sort of being productive. But yeah, it's really exciting, and I'm starting the vlog now because did I do a 2-day vlog last time? No, I didn't vlog London. I'm going to vlog London this time. I only vlogged like half of the studio and I really regret that because it's literally my birthday and like I opened the whole doors, the doors of the Great Hall, so yeah, it's weird. I'm just charging everything. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I'm ready to go, but London's like my place, but I don't want to leave it. So I don't want to go in the first place because I'll have to leave it. But yeah, my hair really needs a good wash, so we're doing that tomorrow at 5. So I'll probably see you tomorrow, probably just before we're leaving, or at the bus station to get the coach. So yeah, see you guys a bit. And I'm going to vlog on the service station because I'm getting a Subway. Basically what I get is every time I go to a service station I get an iced tea from Starbucks, hash browns, like a little pack of hash browns from Subway, and a large fries from Burger King. So you know, just spread it across and I take full advantage. So yeah, I'm really excited. Basically all I do when I go down there is I listen to music on the way down, and I'll like watch an episode of a show. There's a fly. Basically all I do is got my new phone, so that's very good. My old phones are pretty small now. I can't get the camera out because I feel very awkward in front of that little girl. Oh,
Maybe she's a fan. Maybe she watches you.
Sure.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Morning everybody! I'm sure I'll pick my feeling that up. Morning everybody! Morning! We're awake! I'm Jason, by the way. Everything comes right.
How do you feel about these clips? How do you feel about them? My clips? Nice. I've got a blackberry mojito green tea. Iced. We're in Sheffield. My mother is somewhere over there. Yeah, she's somewhere. I haven't really said good morning, so good morning. Getting said out by the people I'm going to be on this trip with for the next day. So top of bed on Brandy Melville, and I'm getting judged by my grandparents. It's brilliant. These Urban Outfitters, Brandy, I've got Topshop black jeans on, M&A Air Forces, and I'm getting stared at
Who by?
by you. So,
Is she talking to me? That's why.
no, I'm not.
I thought I heard you say Grandy. Grandy, I've got this. I've got these on.
No, I said
Did she say that?
no. I said I've got my like Air Forces on, and I've got one earring in.
Wow,
I didn't have time to put it in this morning, so I need to do it on the bus. Makeup's got alright. I've literally just got eyeliner on. I tried to put eyelashes on, didn't work. I don't know if you can even hear us. I really fancy a drink, but you're resting on a drink, so yeah. Because last year I didn't vlog London, but today we got to London, so I'm gonna vlog it, and then I'm gonna definitely vlog tomorrow, hands down. So that's what it's about. And then I'll do a Harry Potter / London haul. So I've got £50 to spend there. Whatever I spend tomorrow. But yeah, all I've been doing is listening on the thing. I watched Queer Eye. Now I listened to yesterday movie soundtrack and Into the Woods. But yeah, I'll vlog around London, but like I want to try and take some pictures. And basically I'm just going to end up with because I'm in charge of Google Maps. I'm just going to lure all of them into places I don't even know they're going. So like I can go to the theatres I want, and then I can even realise. I didn't even realise what I said. That's brilliant. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. I feel really uncomfortable vlogging, but you know what? I'm in the central station with you guys. Is bar. Just did a little bit of damage in Brandy Melville. Very, very happy. These are dodgy. Been Carnaby Street. That was fun. And then this is my future home. I'm telling myself now. So yeah, I've been telling myself that for weeks. Never mind months, never mind years. It's 20 to 9. What time did we get here? At the hotel?
About 25 to 7.
25 past 7.
We've been about an hour.
Yeah, we had dinner and then now we're getting our pajamas. I tried to vlog a little in London, but it was quite difficult. I've also just tried on all Brandy Melville clothes. Very disappointed in myself because one top doesn't fit blatantly and I'm pretending it does fit. The other top, vest, is alright. I've got a belt, doesn't fit us because I'm not a Brandy Melville, you know, model. And earrings probably is going to be shit anyway, so she's the one that doesn't fit us. It sort of does, but if I had something very high-waisted and I had to be fine with being restrained. And it's like lacy and so in here there's stars and red little heart. And then I'm going to like the opposite room.